In this video, we will see footage of rare and exciting animals captured by surveillance cameras in the animal world. You will witness exceptional and strange moments documented by these cameras. You will see some unbelievable animals that seem like they're from mythical movies. You'll wonder, did these animals really exist in real life? We will take you on a unique journey to the world of rare animals, of which we were not aware of their existence. You will witness unforgettable scenes of wildlife and marine life. You will be surprised by the immense diversity of rare animals. Some of these creatures reflect the beauty and mystery of the animal world. We invite you to immerse yourself in this amazing and mysterious world and get to know these controversial and documented animals through surveillance cameras. Golden turtle beetle. Most of us see beetles as unattractive insects, and we do not consider them to have a beautiful appearance. However, as you know, there are exceptions to every rule. And now, let's watch the astonishing footage of the golden turtle beetle. This beetle has a golden color and resembles a turtle, as it possesses a golden shell. The resemblance between the beetle and the turtle is the reason behind its name. Here, we can see its transparent shell surrounding it, which serves as protection for the beetle's body. It helps maintain the moisture of its body and preserves its shine. The golden turtle beetle lives in East Asia. Red river hog. Also known as the bush pig, this type of hog lives in Africa, specifically in dense forests. This hog is characterized by its colors. When you look at it, you can see its red fur, black face, white rings around its eyes, and white fur around its long ears. Despite having short canines, the red river hog's canines are sharp. This animal lives in groups, and these groups move around in search of food sources in large areas. The red river hog is considered a destructive animal because its search for food leads to significant damage to agricultural crops. This animal feeds on almost everything, including grass, vegetables, insects, bird eggs, and carrion. Its population is rapidly increasing, and it's known to be active at night. Axolotl the amphibian. Let's now watch the axolotl, also known as the water monster or water ghost. This salamander possesses incredible abilities and features. Its limbs can regenerate after being cut off, and if it gets injured, its bleeding stops within seconds. It's also fascinating that it lives an aquatic life despite being an amphibian. The axolotl is considered a rare animal and is sold at a high price in markets. It can live for about 10 years, and it comes in various colors, including white, spotted brown, silver, and gray. The brown color is the most common among the other colors. This amazing creature has a wide mouth and a round-shaped head with 6 soft horns covered in hairs. It has faced the threat of extinction in Mexico due to environmental pollution. If it were not for the scientists' scare, it would have become extinct long ago. It's a slow-moving animal and prefers to hide in a corner of the water basin. It's unimaginable that it possesses unique features not found in other known living organisms. Scientists have discovered that high temperatures cause diseases in these animals. When you look at it, it appears to have a half smile, and it has red gills that are about 20 centimeters long. The two-headed turtle. These turtles are very rare and are a natural phenomenon. They are extremely rare. The reason for their occurrence is a developmental disorder during the turtle's growth inside the egg due to the splitting of the embryo into 2 separate parts early in the pregnancy. The two-headed turtle is known for eating a lot of food. Both heads actually eat. Each head also moves the side it's facing. For example, the right head moves the right side and the right limb, while the left head moves the left side and the left limb. However, the internal organs of both heads are shared. The spotless giraffe. Most of us have seen giraffes before and were amazed by their long necks and their spotted color. However, the giraffe we're talking about differs in appearance from regular giraffes because it's a spotless giraffe. As we know, the spots on giraffes mainly serve as a means of camouflage and a way to moisturize their bodies, protecting them from enemies and predators. But, in a unique phenomenon, we see this exceptional giraffe lacking any spots on its body. Its skin is characterized by a uniform brown color, and it's found in the zoo in the state of Tennessee, USA. This giraffe measures 6 feet in length and grows naturally, and scientists believe it's the only one of its kind in the world. As it's called the goat sucker, it's a legendary creature in the folklore of parts of the Americas. Although it has been sighted in Puerto Rico and is famous for attacking and drinking the blood of livestock, especially goats, the physical description of this animal varies. as it's claimed to be a creature with a large body, about the size of a small bear, with a row of spikes extending from the neck to the base of the tail. However, the most common description of the chupacabra is that it has a reptile-like creature covered in grayish-green skin or scales and sharp dorsal spines or feathers on its back. It stands at a height of about 1 to 1.2 meters and stands and jumps in a manner similar to a kangaroo. It's characterized by prominent eye sockets, fangs, and claws. It's said that the chupacabra drains the blood and sometimes the organs of animals through 3 triangular inverted holes or through 1 or 2 holes. The narwhal. Also known as the unicorn whale, it lives underwater in the Arctic and has the longest tusk in the world. Male narwhals are distinguished by a long tusk that extends from their upper left jaw, making them resemble a unicorn. A recent study revealed that this tusk is actually a long tooth that narwhals use as a means of feeding and defending themselves. The narwhal is also known as the spotted whale due to the scattered spots on its skin. The sea snakes. Sea snakes are considered fish that include more than 800 species, most of which are predators. Among the important ones are the freshwater snakes and the venomous sea kraits. Sea snakes are characterized by their elongated shape, appearing very slim. When fully grown, a sea snake can reach a length of up to 10 centimeters. Their colors range from pale gray to black. Some species of sea snakes live in the depths of the ocean, while others that inhabit tropical reefs have colorful and patterned appearances. Sea snakes have 2 jaws like other fish, which they use to bite and cut their prey. They also have 2 pelvic fins that are concealed deep in their throats, which they use to pull their prey downward into their throats. These fins are filled with sharp and powerful teeth. The body of a sea snake is covered in a viscous mucus that helps it slide and move smoothly among coral reefs without being affected or scratched. Sea snakes are considered large fish, weighing between 95 to 215 kilograms. They can live up to 85 years, indicating their long lifespan. Sea snakes have the ability to swim forward and backwards. They can also crawl on land for short distances. They are carnivorous, and their preferred meals include eels, fish, octopuses, sea crabs, sea cucumbers, and frogs. Sea snakes consume their meals at night and spend the daytime resting. In this episode, we have seen that there are creatures that are fascinating, whether it's due to their vibrant colors like the tortoise beetle, or due to a congenital defect like the 2-headed turtle. There are also creatures that appear friendly, while others appear terrifying, like the salamander. All of these creatures have been a mystery that has only recently been observed and explored, and there is still much more to discover. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and activate the notification bell to receive updates on new content.